Hi everybody, it's David Lee of Vital Health again. So I just want to show you this quick Asian recipe that I do with zucchini. I take zucchini, I slice it up like that into like halves and slice it up about 1/2 inch, maybe 3/8 of an inch, and I half cook them, okay? I cook them in my flavor wave, which is not a microwave, but if you have a microwave, you can microwave it for about 3-4 minutes. You don't want to overcook it, okay? So it's got to be still kind of crunchy a little bit, all right? And then what you do is you add some, I diced up 2 cloves of garlic, okay? 2 cloves of garlic. Then I chopped a small carrot, some colored carrots. I got a yellow carrot here. I diced that in. Threw in, now these are raw, and I threw in some raw, couple slivers of bell peppers. Then I've got 3 sprigs of green onions, which I'm going to chop to about roughly 1/2 inch, 3/8 of an inch, or yeah, 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch slices. Chop it up. Got the green onions in there. Then I take sesame oil. Now this one is, I get it from the Korean store, our room on Bank Street in Catherine, called Kedoya. It's a Korean sesame oil, okay? I find it's better. It's roasted sesame oil actually, so it's got that kind of roasted taste as well. Koreans use it for a lot of their recipes. So I put a tablespoon exactly in. Then I get my, this is about 28% less sodium. 28% less sodium tamari sauce, gluten-free, which I get at Herb and Spice at the health food store. Then I'm going to throw in exactly a tablespoon of the tamari sauce, because just remember, soy sauce is very high. I think like a couple tablespoons roughly is like 750 milligrams of sodium. Here, 1 tablespoon is literally 710 milligrams of sodium, okay? That's how high. So you don't want to be putting in ounces of soy sauce, okay? So then what I do is then I'd also take, now you can do 2 things. You can actually roast your sesame seeds in the oven for about 10 minutes under a dark brown if you really want to give it an extra flavor, and sometimes Koreans do that. I just throw in the, a pinch of, like a 1/2 teaspoon, if that, of the sesame seeds on top. Sesame seeds with the skin on them. Then I just mix it up. And I'm going to have that with my chicken and rice dish that I'm having for a late supper tonight. Okay? So this is what I have with my brown rice and some vegetables and some chicken tonight. Okay? And I also have that with kimchi, which is one of the main staples of the Korean diet. So just wanted to show you, that was quick, right? So that's just something you can do with zucchini to make it taste better. All right? Take care.